The most powerful spell ever cast was not a bomb, not a crown, not even a sword. It was a piece of paper, the Cestui Que Vie Trust, a declaration on that you were dead, lost at sea, and your estate abandoned. That presumption still rules the world today, and unless you understand it, you will remain a ghost in their system.
True. Ain't no stopping what I'm about to do.
In 1666, after the Great Fire of London, Parliament passed the Cestui Que Vie Act. It declared that if a man could not be seen, if he was missing, he was presumed dead. His property fell into trust, managed by the state. This law has never been undone. Today, your birth certificate is the evidence of your death. Your name in all capital letters is the Strawman, the legal corpse they trade in commerce. You are the living soul behind it, but unless you declare otherwise, they treat you as the dead thing. This is why courts are built like ships, why judges wear black robes like priests, why you dock at the witness stand. They are running maritime law, law of the sea, and you, unless you rebut it, are their vessel. Every debt, every tax, every order of compliance attaches not to the living man, but to the Strawman trust account. They weaponized your birth certificate into a bond, securitized your labor, and turned your life into tradable paper. And once you are declared dead in law, they can do anything to you, send you to wars that don't serve you, inject you with death shots under the guise of health, poison your food and water, force you to pay to live on land that was always yours. They keep you in survival mode, rent, bills, fear of homelessness, so you never rise into sovereignty. And when you look at the homeless with pity, understand, they are free from most of these chains, sovereign in nature, though deprived of abundance. This is why they label sovereignty as extremism.
Come on, let's drop the sovereign bullshit.
You do not consent, you do not wish to contract with me, and you don't answer questions. All right, turn your vehicle off for me. Can I get 94? I got a sovereign citizen. Okay, you understand that if you don't comply with what I'm saying, you are going to go under arrest. Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased.
You me?
Step out of the vehicle, I don't want to hurt you. Step out of the vehicle and do what I say. Step out of the fucking vehicle. Get behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Why they train you to fear freedom. Why they tell you you must have a license, you must pay taxes.
On October 28, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a truck for displaying an exempt tag.
Republic of the State of the Union, all rights are reserved for profit. Alright.
How you doing? Hey, Deputy Bruno, Lake County Sheriff. The reason we stopped you is you don't have a proper registration on your vehicle.
Because I don't operate on the commerce, sir.
Right, but Florida law says you have to have a registered vehicle. It's operated in Florida.
You operate on the commerce, that's the only reason why you register the vehicle, sir.
No, the state of Florida says you have to have your vehicle registered to drive. Do you have your driver's license?
Then that would be a privilege, sir. I'm not driving. I'm traveling.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
No, like for what? What crime did I commit? Excuse me, so I can get my license. No need to
step
get
out.
arrested.
We're getting ready to break your windows. Step out of the truck now. Patrick, up on the ground. Put him against there and fucking handcuffed.
What's that? What's up?
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Break it.
Step out now.
It's not that serious. Oh, come on, guys. It's not that serious.
Not that serious?
No, like it's not that serious.
You want to play games?
I'm not. This is wrong, man. Like, yeah, man, it's just over a registered vehicle. Questions.
You're right.
And so it's wrong that I can't ask questions?
No, it's wrong that you didn't comply.
So I'm going to jail?
Yes.
For what?
Debunking the license and registration claim. The officers in these encounters made 3 core claims. Let's break them down and dismantle them. Claim 1. Florida law says you must register a vehicle to drive. Correct. If you are operating a motor vehicle in commerce. But here's the catch. Title 18, U.S. Code, Section 31, defines a motor vehicle as one used for commercial purposes. Private travel in an automobile is not the same as operating a motor vehicle for commerce. Claim 2. You must present your license if asked. That obligation only arises after you enter the contract of a driver's license. But under UCC 1308, you can reserve your rights and conditionally use that license without surrendering your sovereignty. The right to travel predates state statutes, and the Supreme Court confirmed it in Kent v. Dulles, 1958. Liberty includes the right to travel. Claim 3. Not registering is a crime. False. Failure to register is not a crime in the common law sense. It is a civil, regulatory offence under corporate statute. For something to be a true crime, there must be a victim, an injured party, and there must be intent, mens rea. Neither existed here. So here's the rebuttal. Driving is a commercial activity. Traveling is a right. Regulatory statutes apply to state-created persons, not to private men. And without a sworn complaint or an injured party, there is no jurisdiction. That is the truth behind the license and registration myth.
You must comply, or else. These are fear-based tactics to force your consent. The Africans of old, the Indians who live freely on this land, all sovereign, all living by divine law. Take only what you need. Harm none. Defend your tribe. That is sovereignty. That is freedom. Demons do not take by force. They contract. They offer you what is already yours: land, food, companionship. Wrapped in illusion, they make you believe survival itself depends on their system, and so you sign or you stay silent. And silence is consent. This is how they made hell on earth. They inverted creation. Survival, the first human need, is never secure, so you never rise into novelty, art, beauty, or thriving. Instead, your energy is fed into their machine. Entertainment distracts you. Music programs you. Movements divide you. And all the while, you were already free. Sovereignty is not extremism. It is your natural state. It is free will bounded only by the law of love. Do no harm. It is the ability to stand as the beneficiary of the divine trust, to live without fear, and to reject unlawful contracts. When uncontacted tribes shoot arrows at intruders, they are declaring, "We are sovereign. We did not consent." When our ancestors lived off the land, free from licenses and taxes, they were sovereign. When you declare your standing, today on paper, in spirit, and in life, you reclaim that sovereignty. The greatest spell ever cast was to make you believe you are dead. The greatest counterspell is to declare, "I am alive. I am the living man. I am the beneficiary. I do not consent." Declarations, affidavits, rebuttals. These are your lawful exorcisms. They collapse presumptions, dissolve demonic contracts, and restore you to the divine trust. You were never meant to beg for survival. You were meant to create, to thrive, to love, to live free. The Cestui Que Vie Trust was their spell. This is the DeSpell. In the next chapter, we will go deeper into how ignorance itself is weaponized and how the maxims of law restore the memory of the living. The living remember, the dead obey. If this message resonated with you, and you're ready to take the next step, I've created the Sovereignty Starter Kit, a 2-in-1 bundle that includes my books, 99 Maxims, and the Dragon's Protocol. Together, they give you the keys to spot dishonor, collapse false presumptions, and secure remedy in commerce and in life. This is the same system I've used to hold corporations, agencies, and even governments accountable. And now, it's in your hands. You can get the full bundle today at the link below. And for those of you who want personal guidance, I also offer private consultation through Minnect. This is where we can go deeper into your situation, craft your notices, or map out your sovereignty roadmap one-on-one. Whether you're just beginning or already filing liens and affidavits, I'll meet you where you are. So here's the call to invest in your sovereignty. Arm yourself with the Maxims and the Protocol. The time is now. The living remember. The dead obey.